Toby and I will work it out. Thanks for bringing it to our attention.
Mom, man, hurry up.
So he has to watch this video every morning? Free computer's a free computer, man. What do you do with this?
Excuse me? I wrote that.
Oh, sorry.
Don't look at her. It's my piece and I'm right. Shouldn't be forced that advertising when we were at school. If you don't get it, you're an idiot.
Look, it's not that serious.
What? Expressing my opinion isn't important?
What's all my brother's trying to do?
I could tell, and he's wrong.
I'm wrong.
I mean, is it fair or is it wrong? The strong here are falling behind in school because we can't afford a computer.
You can do his homework here.
What now? Free computers.
If you read the entire article, you would know. It is not.
Not like all I'm trying to say is there's two sides to the story. Try to remember that next time. But still, skipping a class, even once in this grade level.
What is going on here? One class. I thought carrying away in the computer lab. I thought moving in with you and June Junior was supposed to be good for Toby's grades. Wasn't that the one?
What do you say?
That's cool. Saying maybe we need to reassess Toby's living arrangements.
Oh, Fred. What? The breaking commitments is yours? Toby gets with me for a career. Yeah, Toby gets with me.
More to you than we ever did.
This is me and he'll live.
Stop! Dad! Yeah, my son was late. Who's to blame? Video games. I'm telling you, they're destroying my generation.
Toby, this isn't a joke.
I'm not joking, okay? I don't have an excuse. But Dad takes my homework for me or make sure I go to class. It's my life, right?